Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to convert any image to PDF directly on your Android phone. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Google Play Store on your phone and then find any PDF converter on Play Store. Once you find the app, install it in your phone and then open it up. And then you have to simply tap on the create option at the bottom right corner of the screen. From these options, select PDF and then select Pictures to PDF. And now select the photos to make your PDF. And then tap on this icon at the bottom right. And once you have selected your pictures, just tap on the save option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully converted your image to a PDF on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.